Ebusiamu ensemo na sabre kwa kopiem ewoye Holy Child College of Education. Principal ye wo honom Dr. Francis Hall Adams. No de ensemo ahodo atodwa trese se de school no gia na agi adusuafo no sese nipa dodo no ya abrodan ni nkonwa ahodo a wodi duduma no eso wo ho nti wo be stress mpanifo meye wo moa se be ya wo betumi anya ne ma wodi betre school ni mu na amadusuafo ne ade kyerefo so ho ahan wo no.
Dr. Adams Echimua, Holy Child College, College of Education, enope enewo atoye mantemu. Nanso ekamia yese Ghana ban ebubu nu egu na som abra odo ade sede ebekwa akoto wanim. Principal sa chire mu se sese wontimi ngia adesuafo bebre esanse woni baabi ya wodi ebi ebetena. Afi wo chire se computer wodi suade no so library a adesuafo etimo no so akoye bibi ho ya sese wo hia sa ban besiesie school nimu ama wo mo pa. Oni Adom Kasee amane boni lotewia etwetwe enkomo Holy Child
College of Education, about Western Regional. That is the only teacher training institution. Unfortunately, we need support. Mboa papa, ebutumo yeda yejumana yeda atite student no. Now, one of the major problems I face in Ohio infrastructure. Infrastructure. Me can a hall of residence, maybe a school for no obatna. You need my 1 year titidina will see no na capacity no so government started with free SHS, and the free SHS product no out. Many of them want to come to the College of Education, but yentumfa ahibia because any facilities are the perform. I feel so new vehicles are operating vehicles are my 1 year old vehicles are a former president Kufuor time now what the mine those old vehicles no. Some of our challenges in library facility no only good enough. ICT here ICT lab capacity no soon. You hear computers. We don't have enough computers in this technological age. We need computers to teach our students. University of Cape Coast rate to school very high. Our school no modern urban academic work na other things. But you hear mboa.